What is going on, guys? Looks like I am almost to New Orleans. My goal for New Orleans is to hopefully try some alligators. So looks like we're coming up on it right about now. There should be like a long bridge, and then I should be right in New Orleans, hopefully. So we'll see.
That should bring it.
So I'm on this really long bridge, and way off into the distance, I doubt you can see that, but that is New Orleans, Louisiana. So I will catch up with you guys once I get there. Hopefully I can get some sort of alligator, try that for the first time on camera. Alright, so we've officially made it to New Orleans now. As you can see right to the left of me, that is the city of New Orleans. It's pretty epic. I saw the Superdome somewhere around here. Where is it? It's coming up. There you go. Oh man, it's crazy. These buildings don't have any real color to them. Man. This is New Orleans, everybody. Oh, almost died. Almost died. Almost died. We're good. Alright, here's a way better look of the Superdome from the front. That's pretty fucking dope. Holy shit, we're on the very, very, very famous Canal Street. And right next to me is a weed candy edible truck or a fucking van. Look at this shit. Weed World Candies. Yes, we deliver. That is kind of fucking crazy. I didn't know shit was legal over here. Yeah. Canal Street. Okay. We're gonna take a left. Uh-huh. Nice. Alright, so we're still currently on the hunt for some alligator. I think I may have found like a market that I'm following on my phone. Hopefully we can get there very, very easily. Traffic's not that bad over here, actually. Alright, so after about 40 minutes of fucking driving around, I finally found somewhere to park. So now I think I can just pay for parking, find some food, eat real quick, then get the fuck out of here. Alright, so I found a restaurant. I just ordered alligator poppers, some gumbo, and then also some fried like fish. So we're gonna see how this turns out. Again, this is my first time trying the alligator, so I'm not too sure what to expect, but I'm very optimistic about it. I'll show you guys this view. So I'm upstairs right now. This is what you call the French Quarter. It's kinda... Definitely gonna have to come back here for like Mardi Gras, so at least one time. This place is kinda lit. Alright, so the food just showed up. We have the fried fish right here, the gumbo, and the alligator bites. I guess I gotta try the alligator first because that is kind of why I'm here. So no further to do, let's go ahead and hop into it. Now this stuff right here is called pepper jelly. You just take a little dab of that. Try that. Just tastes like jelly with peppers in it, so nothing too special there. Alright, here we go. Alligator bite. It's not bad at all. I don't know what it tastes like, because it kind of tastes like just catfish, honestly. So, it's not bad. Guess I was expecting something different, but it just tastes like catfish. So. Alligator, checked off the bucket list. So now I'm on the hunt for some gator jerky, but there's one thing I've noticed here in New Orleans, that all the homeless people here own dogs. I just need somebody to explain that to me in the comments. Anybody? This dude's spitting bars right here.
How you doing? Hey, how you doing? To my man with the pirate's caps, when he's running back, how you doing?
Now I've made it to the French market. See what they got in here. Hopefully some fire shit. I gotta say, I do love the architecture here. Look at the buildings, how they're just real old from way back in the day. Oh man, this place is pretty dope. Definitely gotta come back. Definitely gotta come back. So now I'm actually headed to like an exotic beef jerky outlet. See if I can find alligator jerky. My dad's actually from New Orleans, so basically I want to bring him home something that's kind of cool. So we just made it to the beef jerky outlet, as you can see right there. I'm gonna run in there, try to get some exotic jerky, and then fucking dip. All right, so I'm back. Just made it out of the jerky spot. They had a pretty good selection, so I was able to get some smoked elk. Looks good. Never had elk before, actually. Smoked buffalo. What else? Some smoked venison, which is just a deer, I guess. I don't know. I just kind of bought a little bit of everything. Some alligator as well. Alligator. And one more. Some ostrich. So all this stuff I'll be able to try very, very soon. I also got some of this stuff from my dad because he's from this area, so I know he'll like this stuff as well. Alright, so anyways, thank you guys for joining me today. If this is your first time coming through, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, Lee Vlogs out.
That should bring it.